When it comes to trains, speed and reliability are not two things that come to my mind, especially when considering the outrageous ticket prices and poor connections. However, the M12 rail Xcode connectors from TE provide plenty of speed and reliability for rail applications, where connections and signal integrity must absolutely be ensured. These connectors are designed to be field installable, removing the need for heavy or specialist equipment, and their use of a unique cable-jacketed crimping system provides fail-safe connections. The M12 rail Xcode connectors also provide an IP rating of IP67, and the use of turned contacts provides protection against high vibration environments. Additionally, the connector tip is made from machined metal, while a crimp barrel and flange provides 360-degree protection against EMI and RFI. As such, these connectors can provide data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second according to IEC 802.3an and accept wire sizes from 22 to 28 American wire gauge.